ಸೊ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ lithium ferrosulfate battery powered drone. So we are going to test this world's first lithium ferrite LiFe batteries, and let us know whether this battery works or not. Okay, let us power battery. So 6 volt, sorry, 19 points, 19, approximately 19 volts. It's flying like a bird, very smooth. I think lithium ferrite can also fly a drone. This is the best example. So I have made this battery by using 6 lithium ferrite batteries in series. I have connected in series all these 6 batteries, and total voltage you will get is around 19 volt. And you can see we can easily lift up the drone, as well as we can easily control it. And let us see how many minutes of flight time it can give. Let me see this. I think we have a small opening there. Yes, it can move. We can even use rigorous movements in this drone. Anyhow, the battery is working fine till now. I have attached even the LiPo checker, the LiPo voltage checker, to see whether the voltage drops quickly or not. And I have set that LiPo tester to 2.7 volt, because that's the minimum value we can fix it in LiPo tester. See, drone is working fine, but anyhow the weight of the battery is little bit more when compared to lithium ferrite or lithium phosphate. So this battery weighs about 900 grams, approximately 1 kg. So it's a 1 kg extra burden to the drone. The drone, this Clarot 680, weighs around 2.4 kgs without battery, and with battery it is now weighing about 3.5 kgs. So still it can work like a charm. See, we can see now the flight time is also good. It's working fine. Everything is under control as of now. We can even rotate the drone now. See, we need to work out more on these lithium phosphate batteries, LiFeSO4 lithium phosphate batteries. So yesterday I bought them from a local market. They cost around 190 rupees, Indian rupees, approximately 200 rupees per battery. And I have purchased nearly 6 batteries, and it's highly economical, and also worth flying this flight. It gives maximum flight time. Now we can see the movement of the drone. See, now the drone is in GPS mode. We can test with different modes afterwards. Let us first see the flight time, whether it can sustain for more time or not. So anyhow, the video has been started around 4 minutes on 4.4. Now it is flying around 4.5 minutes still, so no problem till now. Now it is flying well. See, the flight is very stable, and you can see the flight control is also working well. The flight control which I have used is DJ NASA version 2. The flight control is also good. See, now we can see very much a stable flight. You can see the remote controller. See, it's a little bit dirty. Okay, no problem. See, it is working. It's very much stable flight. We are flying this very stable flight. You can see it's in GPS mode. Very much accurate. You can see the flight. See, very stable flight. It is standing just like a stationary object. Stationary object, sorry. It's just holding its position just like a stationary object without not even moving a small drift. We can observe a small drift due to the variation in the wind. So because of the wind speed, it's giving us a little bit drift. Anyhow, the flight is very stable. So we can get it down slowly because this is first time I'm flying this. So I'm not sure whether it can hold good or not. And I have to balance the battery with the frame because I don't know whether I have properly balanced this battery or not into the frame, because frame should be always CG, center to gravity. The battery should be fixed with center of gravity, and actually I have not tested it properly whether the battery has been fixed with center of gravity or not. I hope that it is with the center of gravity. Let me check afterwards. I know it is flying well. Till now there is no problem. But you know, you can see the smooth landing also we can see, but I am not going to land it. Just I am showing you. See, it is stationary even at about 2 feet from the ground. Very much stable, very much stationary. Even in the ground also it's very much stationary, stable. So we got very much stable flight. See, again we can lift off. We take off, right? Very much stable flight and very long flight. We have already crossed around 7.5 minutes. Still it is flying without any problem. ನೋಡಿದ ಹರ್ಷ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ನೀನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಈ ಥರ? ಹೌದಾ? 7 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. 8 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now it crossed 8 minutes. Still it is flying. You can go a little higher. And the range of the distance which we can send is around 2 kilometers. I have set this range, I have set this radio to fly this drone around 1 kilometer only, because I don't know about this lithium polymer batteries, flight time and all these things specification. That's why I have set minimum 1 kilometer range. Now we can able to see the drone very smoothly. Birds are also flying around it. Very stable flight, very entertaining flight. I hope my first flight with this lithium ferrite batteries is successful as of now. So I have not seen any type of technical problem or any other technical issue with this drone till now. Come back. Now you can see very much stable flight, very smooth flight. Actually, I am using this ASC's BL Heli firmware. The ASC's are radio ready to sky, and I am using flight control as DJI NASA version 2, as I told you before. This continue after 10 minutes stop aita. Okay, whereas the video is 10 ultra high definition video, it has halted at 10 minutes. Now still the flight is continuing. without any hassles. Hassle-free flight. You can observe it is throwing some soil, dust because of low altitude. Now we can lift off a little bit. I have not heard any beep from the LiPo tester, so it means we have still enough juice to fly the drone. So very long, and we can have a very long flight with these batteries. I'm very much happy with this one. When I bought this yesterday, I was really not sure whether these lithium phosphate batteries works or not, because their discharge rate is very less compared to lithium polymer and lithium ion batteries. So I was really afraid while taking off because of the low discharge rates, but now I am very much satisfied with the discharge rate of these batteries. Really nice flight, really amazing flight. See very clearly, very smooth, going down. Still we have enough. Let me check the voltage.
करनी पड़ी उसको।
Still having 17 minutes of flight. We are still having 17 volts of the flight. Wait. Done.
10 minutes ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಥಿಯಂ ಪಾಲಿಮರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟರೀಸ್ 5 to 10 minutes ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 10 minutes ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. 12 minutes 13 minutes.
ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಈ ಕಡೆ ತರ್ಸಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ತರ್ಸು,
ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಅದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಮರಗಳ
ಇನ್ನೂ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲೋ ಮಳೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಟಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳಿ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡುತ್ತೆ?
ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ಸರ್. ಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಬೇರೆ, ಅದು ಲಿಥಿಯಂ ಪಾಲಿಮರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಲಿಥಿಯಂ ಫೆರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಡ್ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಎನಿ ಹೈಟ್. ಸಿ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋವಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಸಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೋಗಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದಷ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥದ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಫೀಲ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಬಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಂಕಲ್ 15 minutes
ಆಯಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಯಿತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ?
10.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷದ ನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ?
ಒಂದು 3-4 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ. ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕಣ, ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. See now
70.
we can observe the beep. It has reached around 2.7 volts. 2.7 volts of battery. Actually the minimum voltage we have to maintain in batteries is 2.4 as per the technician, but now in depot I have set it for 2.7. Now it is giving the beep. So let us land this. So still we have around
18.
3 volt of battery. We'll go for fail safe. I have engaged the fail safe. It will automatically land. See, it is landing automatically, and it will switch it off automatically also. Successfully land. Fail safe enabled. Come. You can see. Still we have 16.8 volts. So all cells are in proper condition. So okay, we'll remove this battery. Let us check. I will show you the battery. So my first impression is battery is little bit warm. Might be around 37 to 40 degrees centigrade. It has heated up. So little bit hot. We have to check whether this heat can whether this heat will damage this or not. Yeah, it's a good flight. It flight around 17 minutes. 70 minutes, right?
90.
90 minutes total. Okay. So this is so this is the color of this lithium battery. There's actually 3.2 volt. 3.2 volts battery capacity. I have attached it with the XT60, and so this is my own made battery. That's it, I think. Okay. Close.